Thanks for joining us today at Island Ford Superstore, located on Norcross Road just off the Trans-Canada Highway in Duncan, BC, in the Cowichan Valley on Vancouver Island. Today we're looking at a 2018 F-150 Lariat in Oxford White. With a black leather interior and seating for 5, this 4-door pickup has a 6.5-foot box and a 2.7-liter V6 4x4 Ecoboost engine, as well as an FX4 off-road package, a Lariat Sport package, and a trailer tow package. It's easy to get into this truck. Just talk to our sales team. They'll be happy to take you out on a test drive. Storage, cup holder, and speaker in the door, as well as powered locks, windows, and mirrors. Your side view mirrors can power fold, and there's memory settings for 3 separate drivers. Driver enjoys a powered seat with lumbar support. Off to the side there, LED side view mirror spotlights, lighting controls, dash lights, power pedals, electronic parking brake. Your steering wheel can power tilt and telescope, and there's grab handles in the body to make it easier to get in. On the face of your steering wheel, you have dash controls, cruise controls, sync voice activated system, and media controls with volume. This is a push start, so foot on the brake, key in the pocket, and press the start button. Up above in the dash is where you'll see any important messages. There's also a menu you can toggle through. My View, Trip/Fuel, Truck Info, Towing, Off-Road, Settings, and these all have submenus. Off to the side there is a storage bin, and above that is your B&O stereo speaker sound system. Hill descent, traction control, hazard lights, and auto start stop. Below that's your touchscreen media display center. You can click over into audio, up into sources. You have AM, FM, Sirius satellite radio, CD, and Bluetooth stereo. You can click over into climate for settings such as your heated steering wheel in the top left there. You also have navigation. You can click over into settings and slide across for settings such as your Wi-Fi hotspot. It's also where you'll see your rear backup camera view when going in reverse. Below that, volume and tuner and CD player. You have dual climate control with AC and max AC, as well as front and rear defrost. Both driver and passenger enjoy heated and cooled seats. Storage bin just there with 2 USBs. Off to the side, 4x4 with locking differential, pro trailer backup, and your integrated trailer brake controller. Automatic select shifter on the bottom there is drive mode. Give that a press, it'll be shown up above in the dash. Normal, tow haul, snow/wet, eco, sport, and back around again to normal. Couple of cup holders, and in your armrest is a clip on the end there. Simply push that, and there's plenty of room in there, as well as a removable bin and a 12-volt outlet. Off to the side is another 12-volt outlet, as well as a 110-volt outlet. Locking glove compartment, auto dimming rear view mirror, universal garage door opener, power sliding rear window, sunglasses holder, lighting controls, and when you're ready to open up that sunroof, simply click to let in some light and air. 20-inch Mickey Thompson Baja tires, mud flaps, black running boards, body colored door handles with intelligent access, keyless entry keypad, driver's side capless easy fuel gas filler, power sliding rear window. That body colored handle extends to the tailgate. The tailgate is lockable and removable. Just below that handle is your backup camera. On the bumper you have sensors. You also have a 4 and 7 pin connector, a trailer tow hitch, and a locking spare tire. When you're ready to open up that tailgate, you can use the handle, or you can double click your key fob and it will open for you. You'll notice the inside's nicely aligned, and there's tie downs in all 4 corners. You also have box link, and your key fob has remote start. The doors open in a Dutch style, so the front door will come first, and then the rear door opens. The rear door has storage cup holder and speaker, as well as powered windows. The rear seat has seating for 3 in a 60-40 split. When you're ready to access that cargo area, simply put your hand underneath there, the seat there, and push up until it clicks to enlarge the cargo space. When you're ready to put that seat back down in its original position, simply pull on the clip, and the seat will fall back down in its original position. At the base of the seat are anchors for baby seats. On the floor, carpeted mats. Behind the front seats, slim pockets. In the center there are a couple of cup holders, a 12-volt outlet, 2 USBs, and a 110-volt outlet. Power sliding rear window, and up above, lighting and hooks. Body colored bumper, mud flaps, 6.5-foot box, privacy glass, window vents, heated and powered side view mirrors with blind spot information system, rock shield hood, front tow hooks, LED headlights, halogen fog lights, and so many more reasons to visit us at Island Ford Superstore, BC's #1 rated Ford dealer.